Lufthansa is slashing its fleet to cut costs by 2028. Emirates is ramping up luxury flights to Bali with double daily A380 service, and Cathay Pacific is clearing its COVID-19 debt to stabilize its future. Curious about what these moves mean for travelers and the industry? Stick around to find out. Lufthansa is on a mission to streamline and modernize its long-haul fleet with a focus on the new Airbus A350s, Boeing 787s, and Boeing 777Xs that the airline has on order. As part of this effort, Lufthansa has announced plans to retire its Boeing 747-400s and Airbus A340s by 2028. Currently, Lufthansa operates 8 Boeing 747-400s, which average over 24 years old. Meanwhile, the fleet of 19 Boeing 747-8s will remain in service and even receive new cabins. On the Airbus side, Lufthansa has 17 A340-300s and 10 A340-600s, averaging 25 and 17 years old, respectively. This strategic fleet update was highlighted during Lufthansa's Q2 2024 financial results announcement. Despite record revenue, the airline reported lower margins, prompting a push towards more efficient, cost-effective aircraft. Realistically, some experts believe that the 2028 retirement timeline might be accelerated, especially if the economic landscape changes. We wouldn't be surprised if these older aircraft start being phased out sooner. Reflecting back to the pandemic's onset, Lufthansa significantly reduced its 747-400 fleet and grounded the A340-600s, only to bring them back due to delays in new aircraft deliveries. The current financial results underscore the airline's ongoing challenges. Lufthansa Group reported a USD 229 million operating loss for the first half of 2024, with Lufthansa itself recording a USD 478 million operating loss. Delayed aircraft deliveries have compounded Lufthansa's issues. The group received 41 fewer B787-9s and B777-9s than planned since 2019, extending the service life of 23 A340-300s and B747-400s to bridge the gap. Despite these measures, 18 aircraft are still missing, adding to rising fuel and operating costs. The financial impact of these delays is estimated in the triple-digit millions of euros. Lufthansa's current order book includes 21 B777-9s, 7 B777-8Fs, and 34 B787-9s. However, the airline is facing several significant challenges. The Asia-Pacific market, critical to Lufthansa, has seen negative developments. Additionally, inefficiencies within Lufthansa and Lufthansa CityLine, coupled with rising costs in Germany due to new labor agreements, are creating further hurdles. To tackle these issues, Lufthansa has launched a comprehensive turnaround program aimed at making the airline fit for the future and restoring its flagship status. This initiative focuses on enhancing the premium product, optimizing the network for seasonal demand, and expanding Lufthansa City Airlines and Discover operations. While Swiss managed to post an operating profit, other airlines within the Lufthansa Group, including Austrian Airlines, Brussels Airlines, and Eurowings, recorded small operating losses, each not exceeding USD 108 million. As Lufthansa navigates these changes, stay tuned to see how these adjustments will shape the future of one of the world's leading airlines. Now we move on to our next topic, Emirates. Airlines is making waves with its latest announcement, the deployment of a second daily Airbus A380 to Bali, a move driven by peak summer travel demand. This temporary change will see a significant increase in premium cabin capacity, offering a 38% boost in business class. The addition of the second A380 will operate from September 1st to October 26th, temporarily replacing the Boeing 777-300ERs currently serving the EK398, EK399 route. As the world's largest operator of the Airbus A380-800, Emirates is well positioned to enhance the travel experience for passengers on this popular route. The seasonal deployment aims to meet the high demand, ensuring that travelers enjoy the spacious and luxurious accommodations that the A380 provides. This change will see Emirates offering over 2,600 additional seats per week on the Dubai to Bali route, a significant increase that underscores the airline's commitment to customer satisfaction. The airline's existing A380 service on EK368, EK369 will remain unaffected, continuing to provide the exceptional service that Emirates is known for. For nearly a decade, Emirates has connected travelers to Bali, but it was only last year that the airline introduced the A380 to this route. This move has been met with great success, making Emirates the only operator to deploy the Airbus A380 to Bali, further enhancing the appeal of the destination. In addition to its extensive global network from Dubai, Emirates leverages code-share partnerships with Garuda Indonesia and Batik Air Indonesia, providing travelers with seamless connections across Indonesia. This collaboration allows Emirates to offer comprehensive travel options, ensuring that passengers can easily reach their desired destinations within the country. Looking ahead, Emirates is set to expand its fleet with the upcoming addition of the Airbus A350-900. This new aircraft will bring greater flexibility and allow the airline to access more routes profitably. Edinburgh has been announced as the first destination for the A350, with services set to launch in November, coinciding with the A350's first flight. This expansion is part of Emirates' broader strategy to grow its already extensive route network with a total of 65 new aircraft on order. With the introduction of this new service, an increased number of passengers traveling to and from Indonesia will be able to experience the exceptional features of the iconic double-decker aircraft. This includes the spacious cabins that provide ample comfort, the exclusive onboard lounge where passengers can relax and socialize, and Emirates' award-winning in-flight entertainment system, ICE, which boasts over 6,500 channels of on-demand entertainment. Emirates has a rich history of connecting Dubai with Indonesia, having launched a non-stop daily service to Bali in 2015. This service complements the airline's long-established flights to Jakarta, which have been operating since 1992. Currently, Emirates offers an extensive network of over 144 destinations across 6 continents and provides double daily flights to both Jakarta and Bali, ensuring convenient and frequent travel options for passengers. As Emirates continues to innovate and expand, the deployment of the second A380 to Bali is a testament to the airline's dedication to providing exceptional service and meeting passenger demand. Big news from the Cathay Group. The airline has just announced a major financial milestone. It fully repaid the Hong Kong HKSAR government's HK 19.5 billion investment, a crucial lifeline provided during the COVID-19 pandemic to help keep the airline afloat. As part of this significant repayment, the Cathay Group has successfully repurchased the remaining 50% of the preference shares, totaling HK $75 billion. These shares were initially issued to the HKSAR government as part of the group's 2020 recapitalization plan. In fact, the first half of these shares was already repurchased back in December 2023. Additionally, the airline has settled all remaining preference share dividends up to July 31, 2024, bringing the total dividends paid to HK $244 billion. Ronald Lam, the chief executive officer of the Cathay Group, highlighted the importance of this milestone. Today marks a significant achievement for Cathay. Fully repaying the HKSAR government's support during our recapitalization phase reflects our successful efforts to rebuild. We're incredibly grateful for the support from the HKSAR government, its board observers, and our shareholders throughout this challenging period. As Cathay wraps up this crucial chapter, the focus now shifts to the future. The airline is committed to substantial long-term investments to drive growth and continue contributing to Hong Kong's standing as an international aviation hub. The Cathay Group's HK $39 billion recapitalization plan in 2020 was structured into 3 key components: the issuance of HK $19.5 billion in preference shares with warrants to the HKSAR government, an HK $11.7 billion rights issue of ordinary shares to existing shareholders, a HK $7.8 billion bridge loan facility from the HKSAR government, which was not used and expired on June 8, 2023. In addition to repurchasing preference shares and paying dividends, the Cathay Group also made its first dividend payment to ordinary shareholders since 2019 earlier this year, totaling HK $2.8 billion. That's a wrap on today's aviation news roundup. We've covered Lufthansa's strategic fleet updates and financial challenges, Emirates' exciting expansion with a second daily A380 to Bali, and Cathay Pacific's major milestone with the full repayment of its government investment. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates and insights from the aviation world. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to catch all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.